Hey guys, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. I welcome all of you at my channel Computer Code. So in the last video of the Python, I will show you the examples and recap of all the program that we up to basic to up to functions. I make a little bit some little programs and use them in my code. So today our topic is gonna little bit advanced. We are going to Python OOP programming, object-oriented programming. First of all, we check what is object-oriented programming and why we use it. So object-oriented programming is the one of most effective approaches to write a software, and it is very easy to understand. If you have a grip on your basic level of the programming, we can make a real life project objects and used in our programming. So write the class, it represents the real world things. We can create an object based on these classes. And when you write a class and define the journal and different behaviors, different programming, they have different methods of the class and object orients, but basically the logic was same. So I'm gonna creating a class. Already I told you the objects are the real life things. Object in real life, like a person is object, anything that exists in real life is object. A car is object, an animal is object, a computer also is a object. Everything is object. Like first of all we can say in class, what is class? The blueprint of object. Meanwhile, if we wanna create a new home, first of all we will make a map of our sketch and related to our home, and then we will start our making a new home. So let's get start. So I minimize it and open my IntelliJ editor. I use this IntelliJ editor, I like it. This is very good. Okay, so I already created a dummy project. You may create or your own self. I mostly in my Flutter programming I use this to how to create project. That is very easy. Just close this. I told you, just create a new project and select and move next. Select next name and okay, finish. Our project is done. Okay, so this is our project, and I just simply delete it. Okay, and I also delete it. For your better understanding, I used a typical programming method that we have a main and some other objects. There are two methods, but we see one by one. First of all, I have a create a class that name is dog. Okay, so this is our class, and here the method of the class. I just zoom in. That is, I use class and the name of it dog. Okay, so this is our class, and this method is tell to what is the behavior of the about this class and what to do. And this class is about dog. Okay, so where is the issue? Let me check where is. Okay, I hit again enter. Hopefully this is gone. No. Okay, where is the issue? Okay, this is. So, and after that we will define a new function that is def and the init, and it will accept the self, and we also pass some arguments that is name and age. This is a self. Okay, so after that I have to set self dot name is equal to name. Okay, so this is give me some suggestion. Okay, this is fine. Self dot age is equal to age. Okay, so this is our function, that the name of the dog and the age of the dog. What is self? Self called by itself automatically by Python. It is a method and it will provide our arguments. We will see what is the self and why we use it. And here is the init method. By default, if we use typical programming like C, Java and Dart, we used uh, we used we use the name of the void type that we use, like in a typical, I will using a typical programming method. If I am using a typical programming method that is related to C++ or Java, like it is these kind of programming, so I use this void and the class name dog, that the name is constructor, and I provide here something and do something. But in Python we don't use this. In Python we will use in Python we will use init method. It will if they are init method, we can say the constructor of the class. Okay, hopefully you understand. And this is, so I use this object in my programming. So here is my dog, and I use this object in class, and I show you how we can make objects so simple. I call dog, and here it, and the spacing issue. Okay, so here I pass name is Tom, anything, and the age is 6. So I have to, where is the issue? Okay, used here. Okay, so where is give me, okay, this is class about dogs. So I have to, let's suppose I have to print, I use the name of pet is, I use this, and my dog dot name, it will provide me the name, and I hit here backslash, and the age of my pet is, that is, I use this, and the simple here again, and the age. I will simply, okay, so I have to use this dog and execute, and you see this is, yeah, it will show me the name, and here this is our object. So let me create another function that is def, and the dog is sit or not, and I pass here self and print the dog is sitting. Okay, so where is the error, reformat file. Okay, so here it reformat, it may be static. Let me check what is the here in the method. Okay, sit, I use this, the dog is sitting. Okay, the dog, we don't use dog as usual, we use this, the name, and the self dot name. Okay, so one thing I have to clear about the self, when we create object, we don't have to use pass the argument as a self. It will automatically detect anything. We don't pass anything, we do pass after we pass argument, after that we set here. So this is, and here is, I call my dog dot, okay, so let me create, okay, the Tom is sitting. So this is the method that we use. So what if I have to create an object, another file? I create another file, the name of file is main, simply, and first of all I have to print, I just zoom in, I am from main. Okay, so I have used this and execute it. As you see, I am from main. If I want to create a object over here, so I don't directly my dog one, So I don't create a directly object like a dog, so it will show me nothing. For that we have to use import from, and here dog, and import and the name of static. If you are from database, so static mean everything import that is containing dog file. Okay, so everything that containing a dog file meanwhile every method, everything that is in the file, it will import over main file. So here is my, I create her dog1 is equal to, and now I call the dog spacing issue. Okay, so here is I pass Tom again, and the age is 6 here. Okay, where is the issue? This, and I have to this. Okay, so space issue gone, and okay, no. Okay, let me see where is suggestion. Okay, so it will reformat it. Okay, so here is my dog1. So I simply used as a dog2. The name of dog2 is, I set the, I set the second name ABC, and the age is okay. The second dog. Okay, I have to print all. Okay, so here my dog one dot, if I want to print if the age of my dog is, so here is my dog1 dot age, and here, so here I print the second my second the second the second pet name, the name of the pet, my dog 2 dot name. So here is the name of the pet and the Tom is sitting. Okay, everything is here. So thanks for watching. The person who did not subscribe my channel, can you subscribe? This is the basic of OOP. We will see, I will try my best to cover every topic related to Python in OOP. Okay, thanks for watching. The person who did not subscribe my channel, can you subscribe it? Thank you.